Okay, we'll take a look what's going on here today in the shop. So my brother from another mother that had the 6-liter put in here by us last year. Remember, we put a 6-liter in here for him. Now he's come in and we're going to be doing a TCI 4-link conversion kit on the back. So there we go. There's all his goodies laying down there on the ground. So the diff out of it, leaf springs out. Mike's done a good job there. So if you're out there watching, brother from another mother, you got a whole bunch of shit here that's got to be cut off that we weren't expecting. A bunch of extra crap up in here. So anyway, there's some stuff to be done. This, you know, get a few things done and away we go. So that's good. I heard word today the parts for the Camaro are on way from Alberta. So that's good. If you looked on my Instagram or my Facebook last night, you'd see I posted pictures of the El Camino. We got it all cleaned up underneath and painted up. So we'll see if we can't get under here and show you. So we took the gas tank out, we took the diff out, we took all that out, we got all the steering off the front. So we still got to do the front, like the frame and that, but I don't know if you can see the bottom. Anyway, I did a tape line here from that point back. I'm going to lay down underneath here, I guess, and show you guys. Oh God! Jesus! From that point back, this is going to be shitty filming. There you go, and see all the floors. They're all nicely texture sprayed. And then the rear diff, we put all that back in. We cleaned that up. Did a nice satin black on it. So it looks nice and clean. We'll see if we can get around the back here. Crawling around on my hands and knees. Just like an old dog, you know. There we go. Look at that. I've got to put the gas tank back in, but we're going to clean the tank up while it's out too. So she's looking really, really good. Nice and clean. Hopefully the owner's happy with that. So that's what's going on there. And this Camaro here, the owner's been bringing us parts and pieces so we can get going on this. Get all the brake lines on it, the gas lines on it, get the gas tank in it too. It's right there. Got to get it cleaned up. Gonna get a bunch of stuff done to this one too. So that's good. Sean's out there working away on the Camaro parts, the Z28. We'll take a look actually. We painted the upper part of the dash here. Take a look at that. Hey there, boss. Take a look here. Oh, there's the little fake little Porsche. We got all inside here. If you remember, Sean had to repair it in here. It's all been repaired. We got it all sprayed. Looking really nice. So now we got to spray the outside, do the blend. But we're going to leave that till next week. We're going to let that harden up. It's Wednesday today. So we're just going to leave that for a few days. So now we'll come in here at the Camaro. This is the 80. And did all this a nice satin black. All the windshield out, you can get to the dash. Perfect, all sprayed up. Plan is tomorrow, get ready to start painting the door jambs, like the jambs there, and then the jambs on the doors themselves, and then I'm going to put the doors on. And then we'll do the fenders, and we'll get the fenders on. So, just little things here and there. So that is what's happening. But Sean's outside working today, enjoying the weather while it's still here. Okay. Well, is this door open? Yeah, this door's open. Yeah, there we go. Coming through the back way today. Okay, so I'm going to be pulling this cover off the old Model A. I'm going to spend an hour tonight just doing a couple little things on this old girl. Get this cover pulled back. So I'm going to see if I can't get the horn mounted, the brake light switch, and yeah, whatever I can get done here. That's what I'm going to do right now. Just a couple little things, a little bit. Hey, an hour a day is better than nothing, right? Normally I only work on Sundays, but I'm trying to spend a little bit of time on it in the evening because I want to get it all wired up by the end of next week, have it wired. Once it's wired, that means I can crank that son of a bitch over and try and start it. All right, we're all waiting on that, aren't we? And then we can finish it off and get it painted. Then we can go for upholstery. Then she's done. Yeah. Then I got a few things on the Wagoon I want to clean up. Just a couple things. So, you know, and then I got to pull the 58 in also. I got a disc brake conversion kit I got to put on it. She's a little too quick for those drum brakes. They got to come off there. They're just, I'm not happy with them. They work good, but I start winding that car up sometimes, you know, and that sucker just doesn't want to stop when I get her wound out. So that's about it. So hey, Short little video, short little update, showing you what's going on here. And, well, I guess it's just a good time at old time. See you later.